Hi students, today in this station you are going to be doing the middle section of the text structures practice. So again, it's the same thing. You're going to be reading your science textbook or looking in your science textbook. You're going to read each description and find it or locate it in your science book. If you find it, you write the page number in the yes box. If you don't find it, you write where you would find it in the no box, and I'm going to help you with that. So let's take a look at the first ones here. So here's your middle section, okay? You have the title page. We're going to find that. If you find it, you write the page number in the yes box. We're going to look for boldface words in your text. We're going to find some captions. We're going to find some charts and graphs. And then we're going to find some headings and titles. So let's look at the first one, title page, okay? So your title page, the title page is found in the front of the book, okay? It looks a lot like the cover. It has the title and the author. So this is the book, The Lord of the Rings, and you can see that the book is open, okay? So this almost looks like the cover because it has the title and it has the author. That's why it's called the title page, because it's found right at the beginning of the book, right when you open it after the first blank page or so, okay? So pause this video and see if you can find a title page in your science book, okay? When you're ready to go on, press play. Okay, students, the next one, we are looking for boldface type. And what that means is we're just looking for bold words. Many of you know what bold words are already. Here is an example. Well, let's look at this first. Bold words are words that are darker than normal text. So here's some words right here that are darker than the rest of the words in this passage, okay? So those are bold words. Here's another one. This word so is darker, so that word is bold. Often the bold words in our textbook are going to be vocabulary words that we'll need to know. So press pause and find some bold words in your science book, and then write, if you find some, write what page number you found them right here. Press pause, press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, students, next we're going to find captions. Now captions are words or sentences found next to or underneath or above a photo. The sentence talks about the photo. So here we have a caption for this football game, okay? The caption is right here. The caption are the words or the sentences that talk about this photo, okay? So now we want you to look through your text, find some photos or images, and see if there's some captions next to those photos. Okay, if you find them, write the page number right here. Press pause and press play when you're ready to go on. Okay, students, next we have charts and graphs. Many of you know what this is from either science or math class. Charts and graphs look a lot like these you see here. We have, right here we have a circle graph, okay, and usually there's a key that tells you what the circle graph means. Here we have a line graph, okay, which has a y-axis and an x-axis, and then it tells you what this line means with the numbers or information on the bottom and the side. So here are examples of two graphs and charts. We want you to see if you can find some of these in your textbook, okay? If you can, write the page number right here. Press pause and press play when you're ready to do your last one. Okay, students, last one for this section before we rotate. This one is called heading and titles. Now this one can be a little trickier. Now, titles are not necessarily the title of a book. We do have titles of a book, but titles can also be found in the inside of our book. They can be found at the beginning of sections or chapters. So when you find a new chapter, you might find the title. So if we look over here at this page in this book, we have the title of this whole section, and it kept going on and on and on. Send in the Clouds, okay? That's the title of this whole section in this book. Headings are the bold words found at the beginning of a paragraph. Okay, so here is the first paragraph for this section. And the heading of this paragraph is right here. Clouds can be naughty or nice. Ooh, interesting. So that is the heading because it's found above the paragraph and it's in bold. Okay, title is for the whole chapter and heading is for each paragraph. Okay, see if you can find some of these in your textbook and write the page numbers up here at the top. Okay, when you're finished, if you finish before we rotate, sit quietly and wait for Ms. Sackett or Mr. England or I to tell you it's time to rotate. All right, have a great day.